Good morning, everyone. We from Group 1. Today, we will present material about position and factor affecting national politics and strategy. And our group is Muhammad Faras Arafiu, and myself, Reza Saputra. Okay, the first slide is definition.
Definition. National politics and strategy. National politics is defined as general policy and policy making to achieve national goals and objectives. National politics is the principal direction, effort, and state policy regarding development, planning development, maintenance and control, and the use of national power to achieve national goals. Next. Rationale for formulating national politics and strategy. The formulation of national politics and strategy needs to understand the main ideas contained in the national management based on the ideology of Pancasila, the 1945 Constitution and archipelago inside and national resilience. Next. Formulation of national politics and strategy. Politics and national strategy that have been going on for have been prepared based on the state system according to the 1945 Constitution. Since 1985, there has been a growing opinion which says that the ranks of government and institutions mentioned in the 1945 Constitution constitute a political superstructure. Factor affecting the national strategy are first, the geopolitics and the geopolitics of the Indonesian nation, a politics that cannot accept the influence of the condition and geography of the living earth. Two, Nusantara insights a national view as an of the philosophy candidates for a life and national aspiration and goals. Third, national resilience and national ordinance for the nation's ideology and politics. Five, economic, social, culture, and creed.
Okay, the next slide. Public participation in national political life through political institution. Increase awareness of society, nation, and state. Increase openness of mind to fight for rights. Increase ability to make choice in meeting the needs of life. Increase ability to solve problems in line with increased education support by advance in science and technology. Increasing the critical ability of community towards science and technology. Okay, last the conclusion. Based on the discussion that has been described above, it can be the following conclusion. First, the definition of politics is a variety of activities in a country that are related with the process of determining goals and effort in realizing goals. The definition of national strategy is a way of implementing national politics in achieve the goals and objectives set by the national politics. namely is implementation of national policy. The factors that influence the national strategy are nations geopolitics Indonesia, insight into the archipelago, national resilience, and national development, national ideology and politics, economy, social, culture, and trades. The outline of the national policy is formulation of president and people's representative or DPR MPR. Basic national needs, basic problem governance, conditional nature, and just leadership. Politics and national strategies that have been going on so far are drawn up. And the last, based on the state system according to 1945 Constitution. Thank you for your attention.